Hi guys, today I will introduce you to a simple way to be able to organize your batteries in your bags with these washi tapes. So if you guys are like me, you guys will have trouble organizing your batteries. Okay, do not know which one has been used, which one has been charged. I have come up with a simple and yet interesting way to be able to label all your batteries. Take a look. I've been labeling with them simple washi tapes. Let me show you how to simply label them with using just a marker and a washi tape. Please leave down in the comments below what other things I can add on to make it more interesting, or if you have any suggestions on other objects that help with photography. Thank you, please like and subscribe if you like my video, and I'll see you in the next one.